Hello everyone. In today's video, we shall learn to determine the product of two numbers of two digits, but it will apply only from 11 to 90. I will determine product of two numbers by tricky methods. Okay? Let two numbers are 13 and 17. For finding product of these two numbers, we need to multiply 13 into 17. How will we multiply these two numbers? By tricky method for finding product. First of all, we multiply unit digit of both numbers. Unit digit of this number is, unit digit of 13 is 3. A unit digit of 17 is 7. Multiply, we get, on multiplying these two numbers, these two digits, 3 into 7, 21. We get 21. So for product, we write 1. We write unit digit of this product 21. Write 1. Okay. And 2 is carried. Okay. 2 is the carry. Now, our first number 13 added to the unit digit of second number means 13 plus 7 is equal to 20. Now, add this sum to this carry. We get 20 plus 2 means 22. 22. So, on multiplying 13 and 17, we get a product 221. You can check on multiplying 13 and 71. 7 3 is 21, 2 carry. 7 is 7, 2. 9. 1 3 is 3. 1 1 is 1. Plus 1, 9 3, 12, 1 carry. 1 carry plus 1, 2. Same. Okay. Now I am taking second example. Let 14 and 16 are two numbers. On multiplying these two numbers, for finding product of these two numbers, we get. For finding product of these two numbers by tricky method, we multiply unit digit of both numbers. Unit digit of 14 is 4 into unit digit of 16 is 6. Multiplying, on multiplying we get product 24. So for finding product, we get right 4 at last. Okay, because unit digit of this product is 4 and 2 will be carried. Okay. Now add first number to the unit digit of second. Add first number to unit digit of second number means 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6. We get 20. 14 plus 6 20. Here 2 carry. On adding this sum to this carry, we get 20 plus 2 we get 22. So this is the product of 224 by of two numbers 14 and 16. Okay. So we get product 224 on multiplying two numbers 14 and 16. Okay, by tricky method. Okay. You can check 14 and 16. This product is correct or not? 6 for the 24 to carry. 6 on the 6 2 8. Okay. 1 for the 1 for the 4. Sorry. 1 1 1. Adding we get 4. 8 4 12. 2 1 carry. 1 carry plus 1 2. Right. This product is correct. Okay. Here we have determined product of 14 and 16 by Trickle method. Okay. Okay. But it will apply only from 11 to 19. Okay. Now second question, types of square. Squares of number. Squares of number. Square of numbers. Here, next we shall learn to determine the square of those numbers whose unit digits are 5. Okay. Okay, by Tricky method. Suppose that 25 square. For finding the 25 square, here we shall determine value of 25 square by Tricky method. Here, first of all, with large digit is 5. Here we shall determine value of 25 square. Okay, because by decay method you can determine the value of square of that number whose denominator is 5 only. Okay. Okay, I am telling. Suppose that we need to determine, we have to determine square of 25. Okay, means 25 square. So here you see that unit is 5. Unit is 5. So 5 square means 5 into 5. And 5 multiplied 2 times we get 25. Right at last 25. Okay. Now 2. Okay. 1 minute. 25. Okay. Now in 10th digit before the unit digit, 10 digit 2. Okay. Successor of 2 is 3. Successor of 2 is means 2 plus 1 means 3. For finding successor of any number, we need to add 1 in that number. Okay. So successor of 2 is 2 plus 1 means 3. Okay. So we will multiply this 2 into successor of this 2. Now add 25. Okay. We get 2 3 are 6. 2 3 are 6. Okay. And we write 25 here, not add 6 plus 25. Okay. Now once again I am repeating. For finding square of 25 means 25 square. First of all, we determine 5 square. 5 square means 5, right? Multiply 5 2 times means 25. Right at 25. Now multiply the remaining digits left side to the unit digit. Okay. 2 multiply of these 2 with a successor of this number. Okay. The successor of 2 is 3. So multiply 2 3 are 6. 6 here. Now second example, 125 square. Finding 125 square. Here large is 5, so 5 square means 25. Right here 25. Before this unit digit, we get a 12. The successor of 12 is 13. Multiply 12 into 13. We get 12, 13. 13 plus 26 to carry. 13 1 and 13 to 15. 156 carry. Next example, I am taking 65 square. Here we are determining the square of those numbers whose denominators are, whose unit digits are 5. Okay? So, what is the square of 65? 65 square. 5 square means multiply 5 2 times means we get 25. Right here 25. Number before this digit we get 6. Okay, and multiplying this 6 with successor of this 6. Successor of 6 is 7, and multiplying 6 7 is 42. Right here 42 means the square of 25 is 625. 625. The square of 125 square is equal to 15,625. 65 square is equal to 4,125. Okay. You can check 25 multiply 25. 25 square means 25 multiply 25. Okay. 25 5 and 25. 5 to 10 to 12 125. Now 2 5 10. 1 carry 2 to the 4 1 5. 5 2 6. Right. You can check. Okay. If this answer is correct or not, you can check by multiplying this method. Okay. So I have determined squares of those numbers whose denominators are 5. Okay, by tricky method. Okay, I have determined square of those numbers. Okay, whose denominators are, whose unit digits are 5 by tricky method. Okay, thank you for watching my video.